For Chromebooks, we are going to be giving the option this year for scholars to either have the Mission Grammar logo or a Mission Grammar Jamboard as their background. So I'm going to name this MG Backgrounds 6 and show you what I mean. We talk a lot about brilliances, and we talk about how we as Mission Grammar scholars constantly show our brilliance. These brilliances are adaptability, teamwork, critical analysis, innovation, and cross-cultural communication. We have spent some time talking about how each and every one of us shows these brilliances. We are going to create a Jamboard background that will encompass those brilliances. Each Jamboard has a student's name and mission grammar. You are able to change this however you would like, but it needs to be reflective of you as a brilliant scholar. You'll notice that I can change the size by clicking right here and changing the size of the text. I can also make the text turn and make it bigger this way as well. I can add a sticky note that says I am brilliant and put this underneath anywhere I would like. The really, really important piece is adding images. I believe that Maya Angelou is someone that really exemplifies brilliance to me. So I'm going to pick one of her quotes and put that in here. I think seeing Maya Angelou's quote is something that is going to remind me to keep my eyes open, to open my mind and my heart, and always be true to myself. That is something I think a lot about as something that will inspire me to continually show my brilliance. I also think a lot of my brilliance comes from my being an educator or a teacher. So I'm going to click educator and I'm going to look through these photos and see if any of the photos speak to me. None of these photos do. So I'm going to think about what might be a symbol of an educator. What is an object that I can put in here to symbolize my being an educator? I might think that it's an apple. But I don't want just any apple, and I don't want it to be an iPhone apple. So I'm going to put Apple Teacher. And I see here that there are a lot of different apples. I like this one. I'm going to select it. And now it's in my Jamboard. And I also like that it has the year. So in here, I have my name, I have Mission Grammar, I added a sticky note, I put a quote, I put a symbol of where I see my brilliance. Maybe I also see my brilliance with my family. Something I can do when I go home is I can add into my Google Photos, I can add, or my Google Drive, I can add a picture of my family. I'll show you what that looks like. And if scholars would like to do this, they just need to upload a picture of their family onto their Google Drive. So for example, maybe I will pick this, which is a learning pit from last year. I'm going to turn it. And now I have a picture. Again, this can be a picture of your family. This could be a picture of the job that you want. This could be anything that keeps you remembering the brilliance that you have. I can also change the background to be something different, and that will be really important. The very last step is to hit these 3 dots and hit Save Frame as Image. Once you do that, then you will be able to see Miss G and make this as your background on your Chromebook, or you can choose to have the MG logo.